Good morning, children. How are you all? Children, I hope you all are fit and fine. So, children, today we are going to discuss about the balanced diet, disorders in the diet, and prevention and their treatment. So, children, what do you mean by the balanced diet? Children, simply a diet which contains different types of food possessing the nutrients like carbohydrates, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals and water in a proper proportion to meet the requirement of the body is called the balanced diet. Children, in the balanced diet should contain all the energy giving food, body building food, protective food. Yes. So children, balanced diet achieved by the eating the variety of the food, and there is no single food with correct amount of all the essential nutrients. So that the eating a balanced diet requires a certain amount of knowledge and planning also. The basic composition of the balanced diet is highly variable as it is differ from country to country depending on the availability of the food also. Children, the culture and the social habits, economic status, age, sex and the physical activity of an individual largely influence in the intake of diet. Yes. So children, what do you mean by the disease or the deficiency diseases? Children like disorders in the diet like obesity when the carbohydrate is very important nutrient, but if eating too much of carbohydrate is leads to ill health, and then it convert into the fat and gets deposit in the body, so that people becomes the overweight, and this condition of the body is calling the obesity. Yes, and they are remain not active and generally suffer from the heart problems. So children, the malnutrition, you know about the malnutrition? Yes, malnutrition means that a certain food is deficient in their diet. It is called the deficiency or the malnutrition. It is important to take food rich in various nutrients, so that you must also be aware that the lack of the certain type of food like carbohydrate, proteins, fat, minerals are cause the disorders which is called the deficiency or malnutrition. Children, diseases that are caused due to the lack of the carbohydrates, proteins and the vitamins in the diet is called the deficiency diseases. So that particular nutrients is the deficient or reduce. So children, these are the various types of food sources which we have discussed. Due to the carbohydrate, the deficiency disease is the marasmus, and the growth is stopped and body is very thin and weak due to the loss of energy. The protein deficiency disease is the kwashiorkor, and the fat deficiency disease is marasmus. And children, we have discussed various types of fat soluble and the water soluble vitamins. So due to the deficiency of the vitamin A, the deficiency disease is night blindness. Due to vitamin B, the beriberi is the disease, deficiency disease. So children, there are various types of diseases like scurvy, rickets, anemia, goiter, and their type of the paralysis and tooth decay, which are caused due to the vitamins, okay, and the minerals deficiency. So children, how to maintain the quality of the food? Yes, the cooking of the food is the very important. Eating the right kind of the food is not enough. It should also be cooked properly so that its nutrients are not lost. Yes children, so the advantages of the cooking is the food is cooked to make it easy to eat, easy to digest and kill the germs. but there are some disadvantage also, that the cooking result in the loss of certain nutrients. And vitamin C, which is very important for our skin, it gets easily destroyed by the heat during the cooking. So children, minerals are also affected by the high temperature, so that the excessive cooking may also cause an adverse effect on the digestibility of the vegetables. Okay children? Yes. So hope children this topic is clear to you. Today you should revise chapter first for your revision test. Thank you children.